Hey there, good people. It's your girl, Denise Joy, designer and creator of the Faraha method of joyful design. Here at Heart of the Cell, we believe in what I love to call that custom on a budget way. Homes that sparkle with joy and love. In fact, it's a space that you don't want to leave, or when you do, you can't wait to get back to it. In today's video, I'm sharing a totally dope apartment that I designed for a college student. His design style is called hypebeast, so check out what I did to help him achieve his hypebeast goals. Watch till the end and get great tips to create your very own hypebeast room. Here's how I went from this to this right here. The bedroom was a blank canvas. My client had picked out this really funky, cool, brick pattern peel and stick wallpaper that went up really quick and really easily. Can somebody say transformation? Bam! The person who is all about the hypebeast design style, they are into the latest design and culture. The hypebeast aficionado considers themselves to be stylish and all about streetwear, graphics, and sneakerhead. Yes, sneakerheads. As you can see, they love their clothes and their shoes. And their shoes. While you're watching, real quick, go ahead and subscribe. You don't want to miss a single episode. Designing with the hypebeast design style is full of adventure and fun. Perfect example is this grass wall requested by my client. It's totally dope. You loving it? Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. A college student has to have somewhere to study. In this slender apartment, I carved out just enough space between the kitchen and the lounge area. True to hypebeast style, this young college student loves photography and all things graphic. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. In the lounge area, I was able to showcase my client's love and respect for the brands that represent the hypebeast style. With this design style, you use whites, blacks, grays with pops of color. Popular pops of color are red or teal or orange. In this lounge area, the client requested yellow. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments below. This bold, graphic design on the TV wall was created using 2 budget-friendly packs of octagon tiles straight off of Amazon. Don't worry, I got you. The link is in the description box below. One of the prominent brands reflected in the hypebeast style is Supreme. My client has his Supreme brand front and center in his skateboard collection. All design styles have similar things in common. Not only do they have to look good, they have to make you feel awesome and be functional. Don't you just love this grass look wall? Don't worry, the links are below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Here's some tips to help you design your hypebeast room. Number 1, use clear or white storage and display shelves. Number 2, reduce clutter. Scratch that. Get rid of clutter. 3, group all of your collections. 4, put that shoe collection on display, sneakerhead. 5, use a small clothes rack to display your day clothes or your most popular and favorite brands. And last, be sure to showcase your favorite graphic phrases. You loving it? Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. Leave me a comment and let me know what room you want me to redesign next. See you all on my next video.